Today I'm making a very tasty vegetarian dish, Aloo Baingan Masala, or eggplant cooked with potatoes. This is a very flavorful dish, and even for those of you who do not like eggplant so much, please do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. My channel, all about easy to follow and easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. First, I'm going to show you how to cut the eggplant for this recipe. Here I have taken one large eggplant. This is about 500 grams. You can take smaller sized eggplants as well. So first I'm going to cut the stem off. And for this recipe, what we will do is we will chop the eggplants into thin wedges. So here for the large size one, I have cut this in the middle and then break it into, depending on the size of the eggplant, break it into quarters and then basically cut it into wedges just the way like here. And if they are too thick, you can make it into thinner slices by chopping it again in the middle. So go ahead and chop the eggplant into thin wedges. So here I have taken 4 small to medium sized potatoes. This comes to about 400 grams. The potatoes also I have chopped into thin wedges, so similar to how we chopped the eggplants or the brinjals. So now I'm going to fry the potatoes and the eggplants. Frying of the potatoes and eggplants is optional and you can skip it and add it directly. However, frying gives it an enhanced flavor. So for that, here I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We will wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the potatoes. The oil is now hot, so I will add the chopped potatoes first. So we will fry the potatoes till they become slightly golden yellow. So we want the potatoes to be 70 to 80% done as we fry this. Like I said, you don't really need to fry it. If you would prefer and eat healthy and don't want to fry the vegetables, then you can always add it directly to the gravy later without frying. As you can see, the potatoes have now turned golden brown. So now we will go ahead and set the potatoes aside. Now in the same oil and the pan, I will add the chopped eggplant and we will fry the eggplants for about 4 to 5 minutes till they become slightly brown. We don't want them to become completely mushy, so just 4 to 5 minutes is fine for this recipe. It's been 5 minutes and our eggplants have turned slightly brown, as you can see here. Now what we will do is we will start setting the eggplant aside and then make our gravy. Now we are going to start making our gravy. So first we are going to fry the onions and the ginger garlic. For that we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 inch of finely chopped ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves finely chopped, and 1 medium onion sliced comes to about 150 grams. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the whole spices. The oil is now hot, so we will add the whole spices, cumin seeds, the asafoetida or hing, and also add the green chilies. This I have slit in the middle, the green chilies. And now we will fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till the cumin seed starts spluttering. The cumin seeds are now spluttering, so we will now add our finely chopped ginger and the garlic. And we will fry this at a medium-low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add the sliced onions and we will fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes or till the onions become soft and translucent. We do not need to fry this all the way till the onions turn light brown. Just soft and translucent is fine for this recipe. Next we are going to cook our masala. For that, here I have a tomato puree that I have made from 2 medium tomatoes, about 240 grams. All our dry powdered spices, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder. You can also use Kashmiri red chili powder if you just want color and not more heat, and some salt as per taste, and a bunch of coriander leaves. It's been 5 minutes and the onions have now become soft and translucent. Now we will add the dry powdered spices, the roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder. And we will fry the masala and add a little bit of water just to make sure that our masala does not get burnt. And we will fry this at a medium-low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add the tomato puree and also add some salt as per taste. And we will cook this till the gravy really thickens up and we can see the oil separating out. Take somewhere between 6 to 8 minutes. So like you can see, the gravy has really thickened up and oil is separating out, so our masala is really nicely fried. Now we will add coriander leaves and mix this well. And now we will add the fried eggplant and saute the eggplant with the masala for another 1 to 2 minutes. So I've sauteed the eggplant for about 2 minutes. Now I will cover this with a lid and let the eggplant cook till it becomes completely soft. Our eggplant is now completely soft and I stir this a few times in between. Now we will add the fried potatoes. So the potatoes, like I said, they are almost like 70 to 80% cooked, so that's why we are adding this later. And now we will mix the potatoes well with the rest of the masala and again cover this back with a lid and then cook this till the potatoes are also completely soft. So one thing I want to mention is if you are not frying the eggplant and the potatoes and just want to add it directly to the gravy, what you can do is you can add the eggplants and the potatoes at the same time, mix it well, saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and then cover it with the lid and cook this till both of those turn completely soft. So now we will wait for the potatoes to become completely cooked and then our aloo baingan masala will be ready. Our potatoes are now completely soft and our aloo baingan masala is ready to serve. It's a really delicious chatpata masaledar recipe. So please do try to make it this way and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.